Welcome ulit sa ating channel. For today's video, I will show you how to fix or show the problem causing paper jam of DNP printer. So the main cause why paper jam came because of this board, the sensor PCB board. This PCB board composed of 4 sensor. The 2 sensor located here, and the other from the other gear that caused error. And we focused here because this gear is the function to open and close of this pin. And I will show you in manually, so how the paper will not get inside the hole of this portion. Then I will go this down, as you can see in the screen. This one go down, so that's mean the inlet here is closed. As you can see, as I try to insert this paper, so now I cannot insert the paper, so hard. That's why the printer will be jammed, or more paper will go out because the inlet here is closed. So I will try to manually turn this so that the gear will move like this. So this one will be up. As you can see, the gear rotating, then this one going up. So it's mean the paper will in now. So you can see the printer or the paper goes down now. So this is the close and open to enter the paper here. So that's the problem why always paper jam of this kind of printer. So you need to check first the motor. Use tester to check or it busted or not, or good. Second is check this PCB board. The 4 sensors, try to test. If you don't know how to test, or if you have any or many kind of DNP printer like this old, then you get another board like this, then replace it. So this is what I mean. This is the sensor, gear sensor. If one of these is busted, the function of these gears will malfunction. That's why became error and paper jam. So that's the solution I can say to you that if you change another board, a sensor board, 100% it will become good. Like what I said before, then I will turn it back. As you can hear, so the paper is locked already now, so it will not move again. See, as you can see, we lock because of this gear. That's why you need to replace a new board to function again the system. Okay, it means open. See, so that's all, guys. I hope you learn to my videos, and maybe you can apply if you know how to do it yourself or repair this kind of printer. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Always updated to our new videos. Thank you. God bless.